P6 is a reference software for managing your projects. It is a complete solution that helps you organize, prioritize, and control programs and portfolios with precision. The tool allows project managers to work on multiple schedules at the same time, keep user access secure, coordinate costs, and track progress clearly. This gives you better control over your project. You can adjust views and use special updates to share information and make sure everyone understands how the work is moving forward. Planning and project control in Primavera P6 use a method called CPM. This lets you manage big programs and small projects in a strict way. Every link between tasks is clear, every deadline is set, and every milestone is placed in the right order. You can open and plan many projects at once, which makes everything more consistent. This helps you see possible problems with resources, overlaps in time, and calendar limits. Cost coordination between team members fits into a clear process that follows standard professional practices. Managing resources is very important in Primavera P6. The tool helps you improve how roles are used, balance workloads, plan future needs, and guess what you will need later. With what-if analysis, you can look at different options and pick the one that works best for your operations. Graphs give you an immediate picture of how resources and roles are used. This way, you can quickly see if someone is overloaded or if there is free time available. When you combine Primavera P6 with GESCOVRA, you get integrated cost management. It links budget codes, the CBS structure, and WBS. This connection makes budgets more accurate, shows how forecasts change, and helps track progress better. You can see the effect of any change on costs and deadlines from the very first analysis. This lets you adjust decisions while keeping control over possible problems. Cash flows, which come from schedules and cost sheets, give you a true view of the financial health of the project. Change management in Primavera P6 gives you a full view of proposed changes before they are made. You can see the possible effects on costs or schedules clearly. This helps decision-makers understand what will happen and choose wisely. This structured approach avoids surprises, limits risks, and keeps you in control of the project balance at all times. Progress measurement and tracking are smooth in Primavera P6. The schedule and activity sheets share data directly, so project managers and team members can see how work is going without any delays. This simple and reliable flow of information gives you the transparency needed to steer a project from start to finish effectively. By bringing together planning, resources, costs, forecasting, and tracking, Primavera P6 offers a complete and professional framework. It follows industry standards and uses a methodical approach that values precision, discipline, and continuity. This makes it a key support for organizations that want to manage their projects and programs with lasting control and constant visibility. In this continuity, the GESCOVRA training finds its full purpose by integrating complete mastery of Primavera P6 at the heart of its curriculum. It guides you step by step with a structured approach that respects best practices. You learn to use the software with confidence and precision. You learn to plan, manage resources, track costs, and steer progress according to the most solid professional standards. So you do not just learn a tool. You adopt a method, a framework, and a discipline that will last. This will make you stronger in leading projects with rigor and clarity. That is the commitment of GESCOVRA, to give you the skills to turn every project into a mastered, stable work that meets industry requirements.